I'm going to blow up this balloon, this one right here, until it pops. See how big it gets. Yeah. Just gonna hair tie. You can pause it now. The Christmas tree. This reminds me of Christmas. Okay. Ready, set, go. I'm so scared.
It is frightening. That's huge, bigger than my head. And Tyra's, it's like twice the size of hers.
What if it popped right next to my face?
That would suck. It's like, pop! Oh jeez, that's
huge!
holy crap!
You should put that in your shirt. No thanks. My arms are so tired.